Welcome to the Marriott Village Orlando, where we invite you to discover the destination difference. This sprawling complex located in the heart of Orlando features a courtyard, a Spring Hill Suites, and a Fairfield by Marriott. Your guests will be just minutes from Disney parks, Universal parks, Disney Wide World of Sports, the Orange County Convention Center, and all Orlando has to offer. With 1,100 guest rooms, 3 heated resort-style pools, 5 whirlpools, multiple dining options, and daily activities, you may not want to leave. Let's explore the complex. As an official Walt Disney World Good Neighbor hotel, the Marriott Village offers complimentary transportation to Walt Disney World, Orlando Vineland Premium Outlets, and Disney Springs. Visit our large on-site gift shop to take home your own Disney memories. This destination offers many on-site dining options, including room service at all 3 properties. The Marketplace Connections offers a wide variety of options from Starbucks to pizza and sandwiches. You'll even find sweet treats and grab-and-go items in our expansive Connections Marketplace. The Courtyard Bistro serves breakfast, lunch, dinner, drinks, and features happy hour specials. Our Courtyard also offers a full American breakfast buffet with made-to-order omelets. Both our Spring Hill and Fairfield brands include complimentary breakfast with 2 hot items daily. If you're looking to explore the area, you'll be within walking distance to many of the restaurants Orlando has to offer. All guests receive access to the Marriott Village amenities, including the playground, the expansive health club, 3 resort pools, 5 whirlpools, recreational games and equipment, and more. The Village also offers daily scheduled activities throughout the destination for all of our visitors. In addition to our centralized location, your guests will appreciate our 8 varieties of guest rooms, suites, and family suites spread over 3 distinctive brands. All guest accommodations include ample amenities, as well as complimentary high-speed guest room internet access, a mini fridge, and a microwave. Each property offers a well-appointed market and coin and valet laundry options. Let's take a closer look at the Courtyard by Marriott. The Courtyard features guest rooms with 2 queen beds or 1 king bed with pull-out. If you're looking for an upgraded guest room experience, we also offer king suites at this property. The Courtyard has 3,600 square feet of flexible meeting space and accommodates meetings from 2 to 120 guests. All meeting spaces feature complimentary high-speed internet and on-property audiovisual services. Our full-service food and beverage offerings can be tailored to your specific needs. And programs at the Marriott Village include a dedicated event manager to detail all aspects of your experience, from menus to reservations. If you're looking to stretch out, perhaps our Spring Hill Suites will be your choice. Let's visit. The Spring Hill Suites features all suite accommodations. Our guests can choose from our king-size room with a pull-out bed or a guest room with 2 double beds and a pull-out bed, sleeping up to 5 adults. This property also offers balcony suites and executive studio suites. The Spring Hill has 1,600 square feet of meeting space, accommodating groups of 2 to 70. The property offers our full-service food and beverage and audiovisual menus to create the perfect environment for your meeting or gathering. Finally, let's explore the Fairfield by Marriott. This unique property has both traditional and suite accommodations. The traditional guest rooms are appointed with either 1 king or 2 double beds. The suites are uniquely designed for families and groups. The Fairfield Suites feature a king bed in a separated space with bunk beds. While this property does not have traditional meeting space, our groups enjoy renting our large breakfast area for catered lunches and dinners. Our unique outdoor space, the Village Green, is another excellent option for private functions, and it seats up to 80 guests. Our expansive Marriott Village complex is dedicated to Marriott's Commitment to Clean program. When you stay at the Village, you will feel confident that throughout all of our accommodations and amenities, our staff is dedicated to following our established set of global standards and new cleaning protocols. Thank you for joining us at the Marriott Village, where we invite every guest to upgrade from the traditional and experience a destination.